Okay, hi everyone. So those who have seen my previous video, so they can continue. But I have made a small mistake in my previous video. So as I show you, so here you should not mention this angle as 20 degree. అంటే ఇది 20 degrees లేదు. Actually ఎంత ఉంది అంత మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. Don't mention this angle. Okay. But there is a condition: the angles which you are drawing with an ray should be in below 90. Okay. This thing we have already covered in the previous video, division of arc. Okay. ఇక్కడ చిన్న మిస్టేక్ ఉంది, ఇది 20 degrees రాకండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఎగ్జామ్లో మీరు అదే నేను ఏం రాసినా అదే రాస్తారు. ఓకే ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్, సో ఇట్స్ టుడే టాపిక్. సో ఐ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో we will be constructing a similar triangles. So here we have a question already, so I just read out the question. So you have to construct a triangle ABC and some dimensions are given as AB4, BC5 and AC6, and then you have to construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC such that each side is 2/3 of corresponding sides of ABC. అంటే ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. ఓకే ఓకే విల్ సీ ద స్టెప్ వైజ్. సో మనం ఫస్ట్ రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేద్దాం స్టెప్ వైజ్, దెన్ వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద. సో ఐ విల్ షో యూ the thing on the paper with the help of the compass and pencil. So it's saying that the first step is you have to construct a triangle ABC where 3 dimensions given. Okay, it is very easy. You have learned in the 8th class how to draw a constructed triangle when 3 sides are given. So what you need to do is you just draw a line segment of AB as in 4 centimeter. Next, from the A you have to, okay, from the as A as in center you have to mark an arc at a radius 6 centimeter. Then B as a center you have to mark a radius at a 5 centimeter. So here you will be going to get a triangle ABC. మీకు ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ వస్తుంది ABC. ఓకే, so as you, if you don't know how to draw this triangle, so you just see some other videos or to take the help of your friends. So how can you construct a triangle అంటే, so you may have say different conditions. Sometimes he may say you have to draw an equilateral triangle or some 3 dimensions given, or sometimes he may ask you to draw an isosceles triangle, or sometime in the question he will be giving the 2 measurements with the 2 angles, or 1 angle and one measurement, 1 length of the side. Okay, so different conditions ఉంటాయి. So that thing you have already covered in 8th class. So నేను ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటలేను. ఓకే, సో విల్ కంటిన్యూ. సో బిఫోర్ ద లాస్ట్ వీడియో యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ద డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ లైన్. సో నౌ హియర్, సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఎన్ బేస్ AB. ఓకే, సో బిలో AB వీ హ్యావ్ టు మార్క్ ఏ angle, or you can say that you have to draw an ray, drawing an ray AX with an acute angle. Next, along this AX we have to mark off how many points? 3 points. Now this is an important thing. Why we have to mark this is very important thing. Okay, why we have to mark the 3 points? So we should always remember that. So in these fractions, then the value of numerator or denominator ఏదైతే పెద్దగా ఉంది అదే తీసుకోవాలి. So here you can see that here 3 is greater than 2, so we will be taking the help of denominator. So here 3 is the biggest number, so we will be dividing the AX into 3 parts. As you know, how can you divide? So I am just taking a point A1, A2, A3, and the points would be of equidistance, A1, A2, A3. Next he is saying join A3 to B. So now you have to join A3 to B. Now he is saying from A2, so from this second point, because in the numerator we have 2. Okay, so from this 2 A2 draw a line A to B dash which is parallel to BA3. So BA3 ki parallel line draw cheyali from A2. So this, how to draw a parallel line already you know. Okay, so ఇది B dash. So these are all the things I will show you in the practical, don't worry. So next is saying from the B dash we have to draw a line parallel to BC. So we will be drawing a line parallel to B, a line from the B dash which is parallel to BC. So this will be intersecting AC at C dash. So now this A, B dash, C dash, so this colored part is nothing but our required triangle. So I will be doing the same thing with the help of scale, pencil and compass. Okay, so what is the first step? You have to draw a triangle of some dimension, like you have AB. Okay, first I am just drawing a triangle. నేను ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నా AB is A B. This is of 4 centimeter. Okay, I will just do one thing. So I will be zoom the video so that you can see that is clearly. So I have just drawn a line segment of AB as 4 centimeter. So next, this is the steps. See, no need to write in the exam. So if you have interest, you can write. అంటే యాక్చువల్ అయితే అవసరం లేదు, మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే రావచ్చు. సో ఏబీ ఎంత 4 centimeter. నెక్స్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా బీసీ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టెప్స్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ద రైట్ సమ్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్. Next I am just taking the help of a scale. So A as in center and 6 centimeter as in radius. So 6 centimeter as in radius. Okay, so I have taken a draw. I have drawn an arc from B as in center and now 5 centimeter as in radius. So I will be drawing in another arc. So this will be the point C. So if you join A to C and then you have to join B to C, we got a triangle of dimension. This is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. So next you have to draw a similar triangle to that whose corresponding side is 2/3 of each sides. Okay, so next you have to draw on below the AB. You just draw a ray. You can mark this as an X with an acute angle. No need to write this. Next you have to divide. Next you have to mark off 3 points because in 2/3 3 is greater value. So we will be marking a 3 points. You can take any value. So equidistance undali. So I am just taking 3 points of 2 centimeter each. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am just marking point A1, A2, A3. So here I have taken the distance between A and A1 as a 2, A1 and A2. All equidistance in a 2 centimeter. You can take 1 centimeter, 1.5 to your wish. Next step is you have to join A3 to B. So I have drawn B to A3. Okay, next is saying you have to draw a line parallel to BA3 అంటే BA3కి ఒక ప్యారల్ లైన్ డ్రా ఎక్కడ నుంచి A2 నుంచి. సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కంపాస్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ మెజర్ ద యాంగిల్, సో యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ 42. సో యూ జస్ట్ డూ సేమ్ థింగ్. యూ కెన్ డ్రా ఎన్ యాంగిల్, యూ కెన్ డ్రా ద థింగ్. సో యూ జస్ట్ డ్రా ఎన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ 42 degrees. 42 degrees డ్రా చేయండి. Okay, so this line will be intersecting AB as B dash. Now it's saying from the B dash you have to draw a line parallel to BC. So BC ikkada angle ent undi, we will measure the angle. So the angle is around between 84. So we will take the same thing. So now I have drawn the line parallel to BC from B dash, which is nothing but B dash C dash. So this AC is intersection with a point C dash. So now this A B dash C dash. So this region, this is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle which is a required triangle. Okay, which is a required similar triangle, you can say. So I will just do one thing. I will be explaining the whole thing. Okay, again. Okay, now we'll see. So here we have in steps. So you have to construct a triangle ABC. You have to construct a triangle ABC. So in which AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and AC is 6 centimeter. And it's saying you have to construct a triangle similar to ABC, and whose each side is 2/3 of corresponding sides of ABC. Okay. So what are the steps? So first step is you have to construct a triangle ABC. So AB, I have taken AB 4 centimeter. This part AB. This whole thing is AB 4 centimeter. Next BC. So B as in center and C 5 centimeter as in radius. I have drawn a mark. And next A as in center, 6 centimeter as in draw. So you have to draw a triangle ABC. Next below the AB we have drawn an acute angle along the AX. We have marked 3 points. Why we have marked 3 points? Because in 2/3 3 is greater than of 2. So we have marked 3 points. Now as the ratio is 2/3 kada, so from the second point, first you have to join last point to this A3. B to A3. Next is saying you have to join A2 to B dash, so second point. So already we have joined the third point, so third point is join AP. Next you have to join A2 to B dash. Okay, not join, you have to draw a line parallel to BA3 from A2, so you'll get a A2 B dash. So next you have to draw a line parallel to BC from B dash, so we'll get B dash C dash. So now A, B dash, C dash will be our required similar triangle. You try to okay, in exam, so instead of these dimensions you may get some other dimension, but you remember that whenever the fraction is in the proper, so 2 by 3, అంటే denominator పెద్దగా ఉంది, numerator is smaller, so when the denominator is greater, so you will be going to get a required triangle as a smaller than given. So actual ఏదైతే ఉంది, the required triangle is smaller than the bigger one. Okay, so when it is in proper fraction. Okay, so in the next video I will be explaining the same, see construction of similar triangle, but the each side will be divided into some other value. Suppose we can take that 5 by 4. Okay, I will explain the other question. Okay.